Hey guys, what's going on? Big Joe back here with another video, and today I just bought a Bandit. Let's go open it. So, things to keep in mind, this is the old engine system, so it's the Titan 12 turn. It is only 2S. It comes with a nickel metal hydrate, but you know I'm not going to use that. But let's go open it up real quickly. I'll show you everything that comes inside. So on the inside, it comes with the instruction manual. I hope there better be stickers in there. We all know I love stickers. That's the car. It comes with a remote and everything, so that's all good. That's all we can hope for. I'll take it out for a better look. That's what it looks like on the inside. Honestly, it's kind of similar to the Traxxas 2wd drive. Let me go grab that so we can compare it. Here they are, side by side, almost the exact same. I think the main difference is, of course, the aerodynamics and probably just how the internals work. But they're almost the same size, different chassis a little bit, different tire sizes. But yeah, almost the same.
Alright, turning is not this thing's strong suit.
Okay, so I can already tell you I've driven a few laps around it. It does rip, but it doesn't like the turn. I will say that. It is fun to drive because it's a little bit more challenging. That's why I like these particular types of RC cars, because they're challenging to drive. I just wish it turned a little better. So real quickly, just before I wrap things up, I do want to say that these tires, these front tires, do not come pre-glued, so you might just want to do that real quickly, because I had to adjust them, put them back on and all that. So I just put tire glue on them now before I'm going to go rip it again. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that before I wrap things up. So I didn't even realize this until now, but it's not like a wheel hex that you have to put it on. I don't even know if I'm using the right phrase. You have to put these in there, and then that's what these tires latch in on. Very interesting. And last update, don't tighten these front ones too much, because then the tire just straight up will not spin. Alrighty, so I am going to wrap it up here, but I will just leave you guys with a few lasting comments. Overall, I do very much like the car. I would recommend it to somebody who's past beginner cars, somebody who wants a little bit more challenge. The speed's good. I don't really think I'm going to upgrade it. I'm probably going to keep it brushed. I will have to try the high-speed gearing. It did come with that option, so I do say that. But yeah, for today, I know it's a short video, but that's come to be the norm on this channel. But I will leave you guys there. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, anything you want to do down below. Have a good one. Bye-bye.